Have you ever ended up looking like this? My name is Victoria Penrose. I'm a makeup artist in TV and for celebrity, and I'm going to talk you through the common mistakes when doing your makeup. So the first thing we're going to do on Charlie is sort out these eyebrows. They look awful at the moment. They're really heavy, they're really overdone with a really bad right angle. So we're just going to softly fill them in with a defining mechanical pencil. I'm going to brush them up, and I'm just going to see what gaps there are and what needs doing. But we're just going to draw in some fine little strokes into the brows, just to really emphasize that natural shape she's got there. So as I do a few strokes, I'm going to brush back through the eyebrows and make sure that anything I'm putting into the brow is then softened by brushing it through. This makes sure the brow looks really natural and really soft. As I draw in the strokes, I then run through with the spoolie afterwards to really soften those brush marks. This clear gel keeps the eyebrow in place and makes it stay exactly where I want it to stay. So let's talk about what's wrong with Charlie's eye. On her eyelid, she has extremely frosted white eyeshadow. I'm not sure if you can see that on my finger. It picks up every line, every crease. As you get older, the more metallic you have on your eyeshadow, the more it can highlight any fine wrinkles, and it just looks a little bit too much for the daytime. And to finish off, this eyeliner. Again, very, very far into the outer eye and much too far into the inner corner. It's really nice to play with eyeliner, especially on a night out, but for the daytime, it can just look a little heavy. For Charlie's eyeshadow, we're going to keep it matte and blend it really softly. I'm going to start with this cream eyeshadow. For some definition, I'm then going to go into this slightly mid-tone truffle shade and start building in the shape of her eye socket. For a little bit of definition in the outer corners, I'm going to go into this mid-brown called Muse and just slowly buff that into the outer corner. I'm going to use some gel eyeliner on Charlie's eyes. I'm going to do a really fine line, really close to her lashes. And then I'm just going to keep it nice and tight to the waterline and into the inner eye. So I'm just going to use a very fine spoolie to really wiggle up through her lashes. Charlie has beautiful eyelashes. She doesn't need a full set of strip lashes, especially not in the daytime. I'm going to use individuals just to accentuate what she's already got. Firstly, we're going to take an eyelash and then dip it into the glue on the back of my hand, and then just gently place on to the root of Charlie's lashes. A big mistake with eyelashes is to start the false eyelashes from the inner eye. It is not needed. I always start from the middle of the eye and work my way out. I'm taking each individual lash, starting at the middle and slowly placing them along the lash line until I reach the outer corner. Charlie's eye looks so beautiful now. It's soft, it's exaggerated, but it's still really tonal and pretty and perfect for the day. I just want to give it a little bit of a pop with a bit of eyeliner on the inner tear duct. This really makes the eye look so much brighter and brings it to life. So there are three things wrong with the definition on Charlie's face. Firstly, her bronzer or contour. It's very, very hard. It's very patchy, it doesn't blend into her face naturally, and it just looks much, much too fake. The blush on her cheek is a really bright colour. It's much too bright for her natural skin tone. And this highlighter is just all over the face. It will pick up any little spots, any wrinkles. It just is too much. When applying bronzer or a contour, just take it really softly. Dip into your palette, tap off any excess, start from the corner of the ear to the corner of the mouth, and just keep blending really softly back and forth. I absolutely love a cream blush. It gives a nice reflection on the face without being glittery. It just looks really natural, and you can work it into the cheeks and build up the desired colour you need. If you smile, Charlie, I can really put that onto the pop where her natural cheeks would come out and where the blush should be. So So I'm going to work the product and the highlighter just onto the top of Charlie's cheekbone, a little bit to her brow bone, and then I'm taking a clean soft brush and just buffing in those edges just to make sure it's not spread all over the face and doesn't have any hard or defined lines. I really have had enough of seeing lip liner go all the way over the lips in really bright colours that doesn't even match the lipstick. It looks fake and it doesn't do you any favours. Let's go in with a really nice neutral pink, not far from the colour of her natural lips, and I'm just slightly overlining just to the very point of her lips meet the skin. And I'm going to bring a little bit of that colour up onto the lip as well to create a natural lipstick that's the same colour as the lip line. And then I'm going to buff that in with the dry brush just to soften it out a little bit, and then go in with my lip gloss.
Que nunca se les olvide, las mujeres lo hacen mejor. They say there's something in the water that got them all acting so crazy. Don't know why they even bother showing up, calling me mommy. Can't get that summertime body for free. Why you be calling, we don't wanna speak. Yeah, if you want it better, listen carefully. We don't go running if you wanna know what we need. Locos cuando vienen, somos lo que quieren. No se lo merecen, como no entienden. We know that we can do it better. Lo sabemos. We'll have them throwing the dinero. Velos. We always do it right. No, we don't waste no time. Show them that we got it, then we leave them with an appetite. We know that we can do it better. Lo sabemos. Throwing it down, loving the crowd. We know we're up in the million crowns. Getting them loud, taking their clout, so one day I can buy a house. Sabe que nadie nos puede parar. Somos la reina y se enamora. Ven a mi cama, te vas a agotar de lo que te va a hacer. They say there's something in the stuff we're drinking. You crawling on your hands and knees, I'm sipping. I bet you never had your head so spinning. Te veo corriendo aquí, corriendo pa' acá. Locos cuando vienen, somos lo que quieren. No se lo merecen, como no entienden. We know that we can do it better. Lo sabemos. We'll have them throwing the dinero. Velos. We always do it right. No, we don't waste no time. Show them that we got it, then we leave them with an appetite. We know that we can do it better. Lo sabemos. We do it better than you. You know we do it better than you. We do it better than you. Yeah, we do it better than you. We do it better than you. We do it better than you. What? We do it better than you. What? You know that we do it better than you. Sit and reminisce on my yesterday. Sitting in my bedroom, there in the silence. Wonder if the fire's burning low. Overcomplicated our last conversation. Maybe it was nothing, I should let it go. You don't ever say what you're thinking, leaving me to figure out on my own. Came from out
looking at our memories, flicking through my phone. See your face in every single photo. You know it makes me feel so good. Is it you? Is it me? Are we done? I don't wanna be the only one getting caught up in the middle. Shouldn't be hard to love. Oh yeah, yeah. It was so beautiful. Why don't we take it back to yesterday? Relive the moments in time when nothing mattered, nothing but me and you. We keep running around, missing the vibe, baby. Is it all in my head? There's never a doubt. I love you now, love ya, like the day that we met. If there is a way to rewind, I'll do it 'cause I want to go back to yesterday. Sit and reminisce on my yesterday. Memories of you and I. Sit and reminisce on my yesterday.